beautiful day today. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Happy to see you. It's a beautiful day. So today we are here, right behind us. You will see the YYC International Airport. Where all the drones are being landed, all the drones are being taken off from. So today I will take you. If you look further over there, that's the Navy base at the YYC CALGARY International Airport. So for the past year, I've been going on an investigation to find out where these drones, which is following me, are coming from. Upon doing my investigation and find out, I realized these drones land right here. I had to run them down a few nights to discover where these drones are being landed from. Yeah, I have to do just to find out where these drones are being landed from. You notice there's an aircraft taking off. So this is just right behind the runway, just behind. Wait till that one go away. So I'm just behind the YYC Calgary International Airport. As I said, where all these drones is being taken off from and being landed from. Very unique spot. You can check everything. You can see the view. You notice here's the Navy base at the YYC Calgary International Airport. Air Canada base is right there. WestJet is right there. So it's a very unique spot where you can see just about everything that is taking place. And as I said, this is a spot where all the drones are lifting up from and dropping back from. Sometimes you will see maybe 50 drones they put over me at night. I don't know for what reason or for what. Because if you are doing an investigation, no need to do 50 drone over someone's head at night. Waste of resources. As I said, I'm not a criminal, I'm not a gunman, I don't involve in wrongdoing. So what these drones, Canada Navy drones, these level of radiation that they put over my head at night. When I'm going home in the night, I show a video I will put on the side. You will see the drone beside my car going with me. You will see the drone landing right here at the YYC Calgary International Airport. This is where all the happening of the drones are taking place from. I will show you where the helicopter is landing. I will do a similar video to highlight where the helicopter, the ARC helicopter, and there is a base close to here where some of the helicopters are landing. I will do a similar video to highlight these. So I want the world to see. This is a beautiful YYC Calgary, Alberta International Airport, where you would land to go to Bath. Beautiful tourist destination here. Right here you will land to go to that destination and to see Bath, beautiful Alberta tourist resort. This is where the Navy bases at the YYC International. And this is where these drones are being taken off from. Only in Ukraine and Russia war you would see, just for example, that no offense to that, you would see these type of drones, these big drones that is following. So the level of resources that they are using, I wonder what could that be? Over 50 drones at night, sometime more, sometime less, over my head. The level of in the day, constantly for over a year, this has been happening. As I said, I went to the police station when the truck is passing, so I know the truck is passing. as I said, I went to the police station 3 times because I want to know what is this all about. My phone keeps being hacking, it's showing me, my phone keeps showing me there's an octopus attached to my phone. I want to know what this is all about. The lady, I paraphrase what she said. What drugs were you taking? Or what alcohol are you on? That is the level of service that I get at the police station from this police officer. So because I'm a black dude or a black guy, she just want to know what drugs I'm on. She asked me my name and my date of birth. She go on the computer. So apparently she know what she see on the computer. She come back to ask me what drugs am I on. That's the level of disrespect that discharged to me by that police officer. And I went 3 times, and they were very dismissive of it. So I decided I would start my own investigation, and I will highlight these injustices that is happening to me here in Alberta, Canada, and what is going on. So I decided I would start an investigation into where these drones are landing, where these helicopters are landing, and who are these people who are following me. And I come to the realization that some of them are some groups in the community, you know, that they have their groups. Some of them are retired Navy officers and their kids. Some of them are police. As I said, 2 police officers sitting in the police cruiser have his personal phone out taking stamp picture of me. I go somewhere, you would see the black cruiser car circling around the parking lot, searching for me. So I want to know what this is all about. But these are the injustices, and this has been going for over a year now. 1 year now, full year, every day and night, and it still continues. So I've decided I have to show the world what's going on. There's a plane taking off. So stay tuned. I'll be detailing others' video. I'll show in other video of what is going on here in Alberta, Canada. To me. A chocolate farm. They are doing some work. Apparently they are maybe extending the airport, so they are doing some work over there. So a few truck is passing by. So I have to allow them to pass by to reduce the noise. But yes, people. So as you see, that's the Navy. That's the Navy. If I turn it around a little more, you look over there where that port. That's the Navy base. Right in between the air can and the west edge. I have a better overlook of the map that can show you a more detailed place of exactly where the Navy base is. I will also be posting those videos on the side, you know. So as it regards, I cannot go live, people. I can go live, but as soon as I go live, they kick me off the live because they don't want me to highlight. So what I have to do now, I have to pre-record my video and upload it. Because they don't want me to highlight the injustice that is happening to me. But I will not stop. As long as breath is in this body, I will highlight the injustice faced by the Calgary Police Service and Navy at Calgary YYC International Airport with these drones, level of radiation over me at night. Non-stop for over a year. Sometimes 50, sometimes 60, sometimes less. For what reason? If I turn off my phone in the night and just use my other phone, just hold my other phone up, you can see 2 helicopters busy up in the air looking for me. You see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you name it, numerous amount of drones being in the sky searching at the location where I'm at. But because that phone is off, my other phone I'm using to do the video. I also have a video of that on my live. They very sent that video. As you can see, there was a lot of bitching in that live. The talking wasn't good because they were apparently they didn't want me to speak about it or even to highlight it. But I will not stop. Stay tuned. Continue to watch Makito 3 TV. There you go. Here Canada plane taking off. So this is it. The runway for coming in and going out. And this how I find this spot. One night, 12 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock, I have to be doing my investigation. I have to be running down these drones. Sometimes they don't want to land. When they see I'm doing the investigation, they don't really land. Because they don't want me. They didn't want me to find out where exactly they were landing. So they were playing hide and seek with me. But however, that night I was determined on finding this spot where they are landing. Right here. So it was about 12 o'clock in the night. After 12 to 1, I never stopped running them down. I run them down, I park, I zoom in with my phone to see. I go again. But I noticed one thing about my phone also. My other phone, wait, there's a truck coming in. After the truck passes, I'll continue. My other phone, I used to can zoom in, but I noticed they as I said, they attach a octopus slash there's Pegasus spyware to my device. So a lot of my settings are changed up in my iPhone when I log on to my Apple. So I log on to my Westgate. So as I said, right here, very busy spot. This is where all the happenings. And I told you I never stop to find where all these happenings taking place, where these drones landed, where these drones lifting up from, and where all of this is coming from. So I realized they changed up my settings in my phone. So my other phone, it could zoom out far with my camera. However, I noticed it can't zoom no more than 2 or 3 now, because they didn't want me to zoom in too much on the drones in the sky to see that it's a drone. Or they didn't want me to zoom in too much to see where these drones were landing, which is right over here at the YYC, CALGARY International Airport in Alberta here, Canada, Calgary. So they didn't want me to do all of that, so they changed up my settings in it. However, I'm using my other phone to do all the zooming. This one zooms perfectly well. You will zoom right in under the, and then I can see right under the belly of these drones, or right under the belly of these helicopters, which is what they didn't want me to zoom in to see, like the helicopter numbers, or zoom in to see which helicopter it was. So now I'll be doing, as I said, I will be doing a series of highlighting what the injustice that I face here in Calgary, in Alberta, when I moved to Alberta over a year ago. And it's continuous, continue to happen. So stay tuned. Continue to like, continue to share, continue to subscribe.